my gosh, this is crazy.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey y'all, I've missed y'all. Don't forget to hit that notifications button so you know when I'm dropping another video. Y'all can tell by the thumbnail, I have not done this color in a very long time. I've had it for a few months. I feel like this is more of like we outside wig. Like we out here, okay? So if you're interested, you guys, make sure you keep on watching.
Yeah.
Today I'm trying the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. I also picked up the Daily Use Spray. I got both of these in the beauty supply store months and months ago. This is just the first time that I'm trying it, you guys. I'm really interested. I've been seeing it float around YouTube, so I'm just like, let me try this. Let me see what it's working with. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
this is crazy. So y'all, let's jump right into my final thoughts on this unit. So this is the wig from It's a Wig. This is in the style Asia, you guys. I did get her in the deep red. I was going for something different, you all. So Asia is from the Frontal Natural Hairline S lace collection, y'all. This is iron safe up to 400 degrees. It is supposed to be hand tied, and then you get this HD lace. So as far as the hairline, y'all, the hairline is super duper natural, okay? I did not pluck a thing. I was so pleased with the hairline because it did look so natural. Would I say this is traditional HD lace? This is a little thicker than HD lace, but it is super soft. You're not gonna get no scratching on the head, baby. This feels really, really good on your hairline. As far as the lace color, y'all saw me try it on. It was a little light, so y'all saw me go in with my makeup, my liquid foundation, and go ahead and tint the lace. Now let's get into this cap size, y'all. I will say this is big head friendly. I have them on the tightest straps, y'all, and it's still swimming a little bit. It's like, it's still a little big. So I will say, if you do have a larger size head, y'all, that this will be perfect. So y'all, the hair texture is giving me like yucky vibes. Y'all know when y'all get colored wigs, it feel like it's synthetic, it's shiny, it doesn't give natural at all. And I really love this one because it does give me that yucky look, and it makes it look more natural even though it's a colored wig. So y'all, the parting space is given right now. It's given everything, okay? The 13x6 is bomb.com. You literally get to part pretty much anywhere in this area. Look how far back that party is, y'all. Honey, that's giving natural, okay? I am really loving that. And finally, y'all, let's get to this tangling and this shedding. Baby, it set your girl back. I couldn't do what I wanted to do. Y'all, the curls are not consistent on both sides, so I caught myself trying to recurl one side. As y'all saw, it didn't work out. It just made it straight. So I was not feeling the fact that you couldn't be more versatile with the wig. It seemed like you would have to part it and then just go with how the curls are, unless you want to take the flat irons like I had to and curl the other side. And I just wasn't happy with the results in its totality. As for me, as far as versatility, the tangling and the shedding, I was not here for that at all. Now the price point is $40, considering how long she is, considering what she's given, you know, it's definitely worth it if you're going for the look. Overall, you guys, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this one probably about an 8, just because I could do without the shedding and the tangling, honey. And I wish that it was more versatile with the curls. Neither here nor there. This is an 8. This is a look still. This is a look, okay? So y'all, I almost forgot to talk about the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond. I do like this spray, you guys. As y'all can see, it's still hanging tight, okay? So I'm gonna try this on a few other installs and see how I really like it. But overall, you guys, this was great for this install. Low-key, this is kind of giving me like Sky vibes. I didn't even realize that until just now. But y'all, comment below, let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if y'all feeling this look, honey. Let me know if you would rock it. Also, y'all, let me know if there's some other wigs that y'all want me to try. Comment below, I'll pick them up. We'll review them together, baby. So I love y'all so much. Do not forget to like and share it with your family and friends, and I will see y'all in my next one. Later.